We just came from Seattle. So
Oh, really?
Yeah,
you just moved here from Seattle?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is what the sun looks like? I don't know.
No, no, it's so
So what's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing? I don't know why I always do this with my hands like I'm about to do something. I don't know. I don't know why I do it. But if you guys are new to my channel, keeping my hands like this. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Paul. I also go by the Philly Flipper. I'm a full-time reseller who lives in the Philadelphia area. Hence the name. What you guys are about to see is part 2 of my New Jersey yard sale video. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I'll link it right there. I had some awesome scores in part 1. I'm going to have some pretty awesome scores in part 2. So yeah, stay tuned to the end and you'll see what I bought, what I paid, what I already sold, and what the rest of it could potentially sell for.
Hi.
Hi.
Lemonade?
Yes, please. Just keep the dog. I'm gonna get a refill by the time I'm probably done shopping.
Oh, good idea.
Thank you. Is this like a homemade right here? This is really cool.
Yes, it is.
It's a little stand. I love it.
Yeah.
Lemonade Bros. That's cute. You got T-shirts today. Really? Wow. This is a.
Oh, and Nathan hasn't shown you the best part of the T-shirts. Nathan.
Whoa.
He drew that.
International.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, because one of their
One of my
partners
is up in Russia selling them.
Russia. I'm from Ukraine.
Wow.
Do you speak Russian?
No.
No, but Victor does. He's there visiting his family for the summer.
Oh. I was born in Ukraine, so I speak Russian.
Oh, that's excellent.
Yeah. So he has a lemonade stand in Russia.
Yes.
Awesome. Love young entrepreneurs. That's awesome.
That's right.
Yeah. How much are your plushies?
Sorry?
How much are the plushies?
50 cents, right?
Yep. 50 cents. Lemonade, 50 cents.
Look at these, Mom.
Fresh lemonade.
They're the plastic.
Okay. So I'll take the 2 John Deeres
Okay.
and then these 3.
Oh, great.
Yes.
Great. Okay. Hello. Hi. Yeah.
There you go.
I have a question for you. What do we use this?
So we got $33. Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
You have a bag by any chance?
Okay.
You have a bag? So this was a very fun sale. Shout out to the young entrepreneurs selling lemonade at the yard sales. I always try to support all the young kids doing this because it's always fun for me to see them get the business mind at a very young age. But I spent $4 total with the lemonade on everything, and I should have about $135 in potential sales.
They've been producing pretty steadily. It's actually a nice set.
So you guys told me earlier checking these cookie pans out. This is by the brand Wilton. Here's a logo of it right here. And Wilton is like a hit and miss brand for resellers. Some pans can sell for a lot of money. Some baking pans can sell for a lot of money. Others are just like $5 or $10. So just because it's Wilton, it doesn't mean good. So I ran the comps on these, and these cookie sheets were not worth picking up.
Thank you.
Where we going?
Oh, I want in return.
Holy lights, bro.
That could be. Or they just collected, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
You say 10 each. Would you do 20 for 4?
I'm sorry. My husband is in. He knows the
Okay. I bought 4. How much? What's the best you could do?
Oh, there was a 5. Where'd the other one go?
I don't. I'll put it down. I don't want.
Oh, okay. 4 of them. How about $30?
I can do that. Yeah.
Okay.
The other one was cracked, so I didn't want it.
You want them? You can have them. You can have
Yeah. Okay. Do you used to own a bar?
them. No, we buy bars out.
Oh, I was gonna
We buy
say
bars out, and
that sign. I never seen it before. That's a really
The
cool.
Gulf?
One. Yeah, that one.
I put actually I put 2 strips of LED on it. So, and I got chains on it. Hangs on the wall.
Oh,
So
nice.
it's got 4 bulbs in there. It really lights up nice.
You have a change?
Can you? No, we buy bars out, and then what we do is my daughter works for a bar, in Taco Tequila over in Hamilton, and when she hears from the jobbers that come in, the light guys will say, "Hey, this bar over in Philly is opening up," and then we'll go over and say, "Listen, we'll stock you with 10
All the
lights."
signs. Oh, nice.
And
Smart.
this is just a tip of the iceberg. We got 40 down the basement, another 30 in a storage unit up in North
No,
Jersey.
yeah, they're
I got up
really
there and the
cool.
guy had 3 more
If I had like a man cave downstairs, I would probably pick up a couple.
Well, if you know anybody,
Yeah.
like I said, I think total in the house I have between these, I got 70 neon lights.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's insane. Okay, so I paid up a little bit for these beer taps, but they were just too cool for me not to grab, and I knew that some of them would sell pretty quickly, and as you will see, some of them did sell really fast. So I listed 4 of them. The only one I didn't list was this one right here. If anyone can help me and tell me which brand this goes to, so I can list it would be great, because I had some people, and I tried to Google it, and I couldn't find anything about it. But I sold already the Miller Lite for $25. I sold the Brooklyn one for $20. I have the chipped Blue Moon one for $12. It would have been worth about $25 to $30 if it wasn't broken, but I listed it for $12 still. I listed the Quat one for $30. So I spent $30 total, and I already have 42 in sales with a potential of 45 plus whatever the Rose one would sell for.
With this, I would sell them separately.
How much do you want for the balls?
Probably do like, I don't know. How much is the whole thing did I say on there? That says 18. 18? I'd probably do them like 5. Back in my back with it.
How much are these?
I was saying the set $20.
Oh, the whole set?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You don't want to split it up?
What's that?
You don't want to split it up?
No,
Okay.
because somebody's
If you need all the puppies,
Okay.
I don't know if they're going to come back or not, but
Okay, so I need you guys to help me explain something here. So I asked to buy just the putter and the pitching wedge, and he said he doesn't want to split up the set, and he wants 40 for the whole set. I said, okay. I go back and I start comping to see if it is worth it, because it's a mixed set. There's different brands for the putter, different brands for the irons, different brands for the drivers. I want to make sure that this is worth $40 to get. And the first thing I look up is just the irons. It's a Cleveland set of irons, and they sell for like $200 by themselves. So as soon as I saw that, I was like, okay, let me go and buy this thing. So as soon as they offer to pay for them, you're about to see, he sells them to somebody else for $20, which really confused me, because I heard him say 40 to me, and about 30 seconds later it became 20. So I'm not sure. I'm not blaming the guy. I'm not blaming me. Somebody was mowing at the time, as you see, so maybe I misheard him. But if he said 20, I would have taken the chance for it right away. And so this miscommunication cost me a good amount of money, because just the drivers alone were worth $200. How much you want for all of them, I said?
Well, he's buying them for 20.
Oh, I thought you said 40. For the whole set?
Wait, I'm sorry, what are you talking about? No, they're 20.
They're 20? Oh. I would go and do that. I thought you said 40.
I'm sorry.
It's a good deal.
There you are.
Rejoice.
I misheard you. I thought you said 40.
You know what? I might have, because there's another set there that was 40.
Yeah, I was gonna give you 40 for it.
Great.
Let's for this.
Yeah, that's fine.
That sucks. So I gotta give a big shout out to Annette here. After I tell her what happened, she said, "Why don't you just ask him for if he has another set of golf clubs?" I would have never thought to do that. I did, and he said he has a female set that you're about to see him bring out right here. How much do you want for those?
These I'd probably do for about 20.
What are they? Regalinas?
Yeah, we bought these. This set was about, I don't know, 4 years old now. We bought it at closeout at Golfsmith. They were $400.
I'll do 20 on these.
All right.
Yeah, I would have jumped right. If I heard 20, I would have jumped right away.
You know, I'm sorry, because I had another set out there that's a nicer set that I had for 40, and everybody was, you know, when you're sitting there talking to everybody.
Yeah, it's totally get it.
But here's what
that guy got a good deal.
Here's what I'm getting.
Those Clevelands are good.
I have a very new set of clubs.
Uh-huh.
A lefty set, my set that I currently play with. They're tailor-made burner 2s.
Ooh, okay.
So I'm going to be getting new clubs soon. If you want me, probably about another month or two, realistically. If you can wait,
That's fine.
you want to give me?
Yeah, so let me get you my number.
Yeah, or Betty, I'll give you. Yeah, let me give me your number and your name there, and I'll.
Okay. Again, none of this would have ever happened if Annette didn't suggest that I would ask for more clubs. And look, I did, and he brought them out. I got a great deal. So guys, don't be afraid to ask people for more stuff if you don't see them on sales. You'll be surprised what could happen to you. So at this sale, I spent $22 total. I already have $180 in sales and a potential $30 from the dumbbell, which gives me $210 in potential sales from $20 spent.
But I don't know.
No.
So when I see them, I'm just going to call you over.
Is it Pa? Oh my goodness. Okay, this is why they're here. Guys, paying attention at home.
Chris, I know Kristen likes that thing. She showed me.
That one because it's a rainbow. Thank you.
You like any of those?
You have
Oh, I have a bag. Sure.
Okay, so I have to turn the music down because there was songs blaring here. I don't want to get a copyright strike. But I bought 5 Harry Potter books from this guy. I bought 3 hardcover books and 2 paperback books. The paperbacks were Prisoner of Azkaban, and the hardcover ones were The Sorcerer's Stone, Chambers of Secrets, and A Goblet of Fire. And what I do with the books is I collect them until I have a whole set. Then I list them as a set because you can get a lot more money for a set than selling them individually.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not bad, not bad. Nice day to just wander around.
You got the good spot right here. Got the shade.
Appreciate it.
You're a professional. Everybody out in the sun and stuff. You're good.
It's my wife.
That's your wife. You guys Seahawks fans?
Yeah, we just came from Seattle. So
Oh, really?
Yeah,
You just moved here from Seattle?
yeah.
So this is what the sun looks like? I don't know.
No, it's so true. I mean, like, you know, we're not used to the heat.
Oh, yeah, that's... How much asking for the Nikes?
To be honest with you, hardly used. $1.
Can't say no to that.
But my son actually wants to play basketball, so he didn't think those were fitting for him. So
Good luck to your son.
yeah, I appreciate it.
I tore my knee 3 times playing basketball, so that wasn't for me. I had the height. That's about
No, I
it.
mean, you're taller than me, so
Yeah.
you know, just after a while, you got to play on the
Yeah,
you know, the half court game.
yeah, oh, I love the half court game. I just stay in the paint the whole
Well,
time.
that's what I'm saying. Like, you know,
All right, have a good one. All right, y'all. So these Nikes could be one of my best pickups of the day. These are the Nike Zoom Dunk High Elites, and he was not wrong. They are pretty much brand new. The only bad part is they're size 5, which is a little on the low end. If they were size like 8 or 9, they probably would have sold by now. But I just need the right buyer to come across and get them. I'm listing them for $90 plus shipping. I only paid $1 for them, which is a really good ROI. I'll take that all day. All right, so we're back at the warehouse now. As you guys saw, I got some really good deals. Could have got some better deals if I would have picked up that Cleveland iron set and the clubs, but hey, not going to complain about it. Thank you, Annette, for giving me the great idea to ask about clubs. Because of that, I got probably one of my best pickups of the day. So, get the numbers right here, guys. Get the numbers. Now, you guys all came just for the numbers. So, out of all the stuff you guys saw, I'm not counting the Harry Potter books because they're not listed yet. I'm waiting to list the whole set. So, the Harry Potter is not part of this numbers. But I spent $68 total. I already have 225 in sales. Let's go. And I have a potential for 377 in more sales. So out of the 68 that I spent, I have a potential for $600 in sales out of all of it, which is again is 10x, which is where I want to be. 10x is awesome. I would love to get 10x plus every time I go yard selling. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you guys like always for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you guys would have done something differently with the golf set. If I should have paid 20 right away, obviously, or if I should have fought harder to get it for 40. Just leave a comment on what you would have done if you were me in that situation. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it from me. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.